children.
Hello, children. Today I'm going to tell you about something really interesting: functional programming. It is a way of writing programs that is a bit like building with blocks. Each block is a function that does just one thing, but does it very well. This way, programs are clear and easy to fix. Are you ready to explore new adventures? Come with me to the park. By the big tree, Guinea Pig and Frog met. They talked about how to write a program that would count points in their game. Frog thought it would be best to write one big function that does everything at once. Guinea Pig, on the other hand, wanted each part of the counting to be separate, because then it is easier to fix something. I explained to them that in functional programming, it is best to split tasks into small functions. Each one does something specific, and you can easily connect them like blocks. At the playground, Parrot was explaining to Cat how she made a program to organize a daily schedule. She said that each activity, breakfast, study, play, was a separate function. Cat admitted that he protects data in a similar way. Each function in his program is responsible for a different kind of protection. I explained that these are great examples of functional programming. If each function does only one thing, it is easier to understand the program and, if needed, change just that one part. On the meadow, Rat and Sparrow were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about functional programming. Rat said it is a style of writing code where everything is based on functions, preferably ones that do not change other things in the program. Sparrow added that this makes it easier to test programs because each function works independently and does not depend on others. I praised them for their good answers. Functional programming helps create clear and reliable programs that are easy to develop. Let us summarize, children, what we learned today. Functional programming is a way of writing programs where we use small, well-planned functions. Each one does only one task, but together they can create very complex solutions. Thanks to this, programs are simpler, easier to test, and less likely to have mistakes. See you next time.